Imagine sitting down on a Friday night, ready to relax, and instead of scrolling endlessly through Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, YouTube, Prime Video, and TikTok trying to figure out what to watch, your personal AI assistant already has the perfect playlist queued up. Not just random recommendations, I'm talking about AI-curated content built from your mood, your day, your habits, your interests, even your energy level. This isn't the algorithm trying to trap you in an engagement loop. This is you, multiplied by machine intelligence, programming your own entertainment feed before you even open your screen. That's what I tested, giving full control of my watchlist, media queue, YouTube subs, TikTok FYP, and even movie night choices to AI for 30 straight days. What happened? I laughed harder, learned faster, wasted less time, and discovered content I would have never picked for myself, and it was amazing. So now I'm here to ask, what happens when AI takes over your watchlist? And more importantly, should you let it? Let's start with the problem. Choice fatigue is real. We spend an average of 45 minutes per day just trying to pick what to watch. That's nearly 11 days a year gone, just scrolling. The platforms don't help. Their recommendation engines are designed to boost retention, not satisfaction. They push you into what's trending, not what's meaningful. I wanted to break that loop. So I built an AI-powered content selector, a digital media concierge that knows me better than the platform algorithms ever could. First, I trained ChatGPT with my taste, favorite movies, shows, creators, video formats, channels, genres, runtimes, and even emotional triggers. I added when I like to watch, post-work, late nights, mornings while cooking. I added how I like to feel, inspired, chill, deep focus, silly, background noise. Then I connected it to my YouTube watch history, my Netflix profile, my Spotify, podcasts and shows, and my TikTok activity using exported data. I created a prompt that said, based on the last 60 days of my watch history, suggest what I should watch tonight for, insert vibe, and insert time window, using sources from YouTube, Netflix, podcasts, or TikTok. The results were insane. On a high-focus day, it suggested productivity vlogs, deep dive explainers, AI news segments, and tech creator breakdowns. On low-energy nights, it cued stand-up comedy, short-form skits, and ambient channels. One weekend I asked for a perfect cozy movie night for two. It built a Netflix plus YouTube playlist with trailers, ambient visuals, a dessert recipe video, and a short documentary about storytelling. It became my creative DJ. But then I asked it to go further. I trained the AI to analyze why I liked certain things. I pasted scripts from my favorite creators, pulled transcripts from TED Talks I rewatch, fed it the YouTube comments I leave, and told it, find the emotional and narrative patterns that make me engage. Suddenly it wasn't just guessing, it was learning. It realized I liked arcs, emotional payoffs, punchy editing, world building, creators with humility, videos that start fast, and content that teaches without lecturing. The AI adjusted my cue. And the results? It felt like content made for me, not just about me, and I watched less, but got more. My watch sessions dropped from 2.5 hours a night to 45 minutes, but I felt smarter, calmer, more satisfied. That's the magic of a personal AI watchlist, intentionality. But let's talk about the tech. I integrated the YouTube Data API, TikTok Trends API, through a scraping tool, and Spotify's recommendation engine, piping them into my AI using a middleware layer like Zapier or Make. This allowed ChatGPT to pull real-time trending data, compare it to my preferences, and generate daily suggestions. I used 11 Labs voice synthesis to make it speak suggestions out loud. Tonight, based on your mood and performance trends, I recommend a 12-minute tech trends breakdown followed by a dopamine detox vlog. Want me to play it? Yeah. My watch list talked to me, and I could say, not in the mood, and it would pivot. When I told it I had a stressful day, it flipped the cue to ASMR, scenery, light interviews, and sleep podcasts. It adapted instantly. Now imagine this in your life. You wake up, and your AI says, today looks busy. Want a 3-minute news blast while you get ready? Or at lunch, here's a video on something you've wanted to learn but forgot about. Or at night. You're burned out. Here's a playlist designed to relax your nervous system and make you laugh. This isn't random. This is you-shaped content. But there's a twist. AI doesn't just know what you like. It can shape what you like. That's the risk. If you feed it only content that keeps you in a bubble, it will double down on that bubble. It will reinforce biases, repeat formats, shrink your perspective. That's why I programmed in a randomness factor. 10% of content had to be out of comfort zone. The AI would surprise me. A foreign short film, a science doc, a controversial debate. It kept my feed fresh and kept me growing. You have to balance personalization with discovery. That's the only way to avoid becoming a smarter version of your algorithmic self. And here's the other thing: privacy. If you build a true AI watchlist, you're aggregating a ton of personal data, interests, behavior, emotion. You need to keep it secure, local if possible, encrypted, and always under your control. If you give that to a third-party app without limits, they're not building a personal assistant. They're building a marketing profile. Protect your patterns. Own your AI. But if you do it right, this changes everything. You don't scroll. You watch. You don't waste time. You learn, laugh, grow. You finish a video and feel better, not just distracted. And that's what the future of content should be. Not endless autoplay, but authentic curation. Not content made to steal your time, but experiences made to give you value. And AI, used well, can deliver that. Because the problem was never content. It was friction. And now that friction is gone. The next generation of media won't just recommend videos. It will know your season of life, your goals, your pain, your taste, your vibe. And it'll deliver something human, powered by machine. So yes, AI is already taking control of your watch list. The real question is, are you letting it make you better, or just more addicted? Take the wheel back. Use AI with purpose. Teach it what matters. And let it surprise you with something deeper than the For You page. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and real talk from TechWave 65.